Okay, so here is Blizzard. Listen, so what we're going to do...
All right, listen.
Okay, there's also another type of tag that we have to put on Blizzard first. This is just a regular metal tag. It has the number TTL735. Okay, it looks like this. And then on the other side, it gives the phone number for the Department of Zoology of Gainesville, Florida, USA. This is the only place that makes these tags, and that's where we get them from. So what we're going to do is we're going to put those tags on the hind flippers of Blizzard, because that's another type of tag that Blizzard will be able to be identified in the wild. Okay? Well, it's going to hurt a little bit, but how many of you have gotten your ears pierced? Okay, so did it hurt? A little bit, right? But you kind of wanted to look pretty, so you kind of were like, well, you know. And, you know, I don't know if Blizzard necessarily cares about looking pretty, but I think that he would like to be identified if he was ever found in the wild, right? So that's why we do want to put those tags on Blizzard, because we do want him to be able to get identified.
What if he gets him touches?
Okay, so this is just a little bit of Nolvasan gauze. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just disinfect his hind flippers. Actually, can you hold him up vertically?
Like that?
No? Like that. Are you going to be strong enough? You got it? Okay. So I'm going to disinfect his flippers. So this is his little tiny tail. Are you going to be okay? Okay, so the first tag that we're going to put on it is, hold on, because this tag is actually put backwards. Okay, so this is 736 and the other one is 735. So the first one is going to be, you're telling him it's going to be okay? I'm sure he appreciates it. Okay, it's not going to take that long. All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So I'm going to feel for a little piece of skin. So we're just going to be putting the skin. Can you lift him up a little bit higher? Are you ready?
No.
Don't worry. Okay, there we go. See, that wasn't too bad, right? Okay. And now we're going to put another tag. He didn't even budge. Okay? Okay, ready? Now we're going to put another tag right here.
No. He wants to hit you.
Alright. So these tags are good. Okay, and we just need to take a picture of them. So he's going to turn her towards Lindsay, and Lindsay's going to take a picture of the both tags. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get ready to apply the pin tag. You guys remember the pin tag, right? So we can put him down now. So remember, the pin tag is going to go in the right fore flipper. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to unwrap the pin tag. Okay, it's taking a while. How many minutes for the glue? I'm just kidding.
Oh, let me guess. 11 minutes.
11 minutes. Okay, so if it's not hard by now, we're in trouble. Okay, so can somebody take this number? And where is my reader? Okay, so I need you to confirm that this is the same number. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm going to scan this. So my number is 985-121-005-232-935. Is that correct? All right, thank you. So what we're going to do is disinfect the flipper. Thank you.
Don't hurt him.
I won't hurt him.
Don't you dare hurt him. No. I think yes.
Boys and girls, your being noisy is probably scaring him.
All right, guys, so are you ready? So this is going to be probably hurting him just a little bit. It's like just like an injection, but the needle is pretty thick, right? So he might be reacting. Okay, why don't you grab him a little bit more like here and push down on him?
Run away, my
Stop, guys.
Good? Okay. Don't worry. He's just going to be a little tiny stick right here. Okay. Well, it's probably hurting him more because you're saying ow. Okay, that's it. See? That wasn't too bad. Okay, let me try your finger and see if you're going to react more. No? All right, so our turtle is looking good. So do you think that he's ready to be put the satellite tag on? He's going to bleed a little bit, but that's perfectly normal. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to change my glove.
Jacob, you need to back up a little bit so everybody can see. Back up, right there.